Okay, so problem 2, spy car or spy plane. What you have to think in your mind is this helicopter flying. I'll give you a quick helicopter here. Right? And car moving. Spy car. The helicopter is moving faster than the car, so it's going to catch up to the car. That's the same problem as if the car was stationary and the helicopter was just going at the speed that it is faster than the car. So the difference of the two is 40 kilometers an hour. So this is like a helicopter going 40 kilometers an hour to a stationary car. And all of those problems are the same as something flying off a cliff and hitting a target below. So changing the 40 kilometers an hour to meters a second, now we kind of have a pretty easy problem. That 40 kilometers an hour is 11 meters a second. It's just going horizontal. It drops the package. It goes, hits right there. I need to find the angle that it makes, which is really code for finding how far does it move sideways. Because if I know the sideways and I know the vertical of this triangle, I can use tangent to get the angle. So really I'm looking for how far does the package move sideways while it's in the air. Well, that's pretty simple then. The time to fly sideways is the time time to drop straight down, which would be 4.2 seconds using that kinematic. And then once I know the time, then the sideways velocity times that time is the sideways distance. I now know this is 46.6 and that's 84. I can use tangent to set up the angle on that, and you get 62 degrees below horizontal.
You got this, and I know why I skipped.
I mean, that was in the back of the book. You didn't check the answer.
I didn't check.
71's odd?
Oh, actually, no, I didn't.
Questions on that?
So, if on the test we forgot to convert to meters per second?
Then you lose like a point on that problem.
Okay.
It's like you did all the steps right, your answer's wrong because you didn't convert it 1 point off.
Out of how many points?
Well, I don't know what this would have been.
4 points?
I guess.
If this would have been a problem, it's not very hard, so it probably would have been a multiple choice problem.
Okay.
Which means you would have missed it all because there wouldn't have been the option, I can't give you partial on that. But if this would have been a problem, been 1 point for this, converting, probably 1 point for recognizing the time straight down is the same. Then another point for setting that up, probably a point for this, and then a point for the angle. So that's probably like a 5-point problem. So you get 80% of it right.